This tool is developed with an interactive graph to show what the impact is of temperature changes on metal objects, particularly in this case pin or plug gauges, and allows for the operator to change the ambient temperature from where the reference temperature is locked in at 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. Change that value from there to see what the impact is. They can select the class of pin or plug gauge. So if they go to a class X, the tolerances change, allowing them to see what the ASME tolerances would be. And then they can change the diameter, which will change on the graph as well. Here we're starting at a 1/2 inch, but we can increase that to larger sizes. And then allows resolution for changes of the value to specifically what the pin gauge diameter is. You can change the material that it's made from. So typically it would be steel, but we can change to any of the ones selected in the drop-down. Whatever your selections would be for your application, we can add that to the chart. And that changes the coefficient of temperature effect. So now as we deviate here from the 68-degree reference, if we're starting out there, there's no estimated expansion. That is exactly where the reference should be, and we show on the graph down here of the pin gauge itself that it would be 80 microinches for the tolerance. And as you increase or as you decrease that value or increase that value, you can see that the effect for a 1-degree change shown here would be roughly 16% of the tolerance. So as you're using these gauges in different environments, you can see what the impact is on the coefficient of expansion based on the material, and it's a great way to pull all that together in one place with one graph that gives you a better idea of what those results are.